Hey guys, what's up? Good morning. I'm coming to you from one of my favourite cities in the world, Kuala Lumpur in Malaysia. And today we've got something pretty crazy planned. Today we embark on an adventure, the Kuala Lumpur Food Marathon, which means we're going to go to all across the city and have 26.2 dishes in one day. So without further ado, let's go.
Because you should be supporting them, I guess. They've got a great job and doing really well.
Mate, support me then.
The first bite of the day. You got to say something.
Got marmalade. Okay.
Breakfast in KL.
We got Nicky boy.
26 dish challenge. Yeah.
The marathon. KL marathon.
The food marathon.
Yeah. Alright, so we started our food adventure in Brickfields, Little India, Kuala Lumpur, to start with Indian food. So to start with, we've got roti canai and a teh tarik, a pulled tea. So classic sort of breakfast. Yeah, okay.
Chicken,
Okay. So now we've got a mutton set. Curry mushroom, poppadoms, another roti, we've got dal, and salad. So let's dig in. Okay. Round one completed. Now we're going to head down to Little India and get some more like street food and side dishes and bhajis and jalebis and that sort of stuff. So we'll see you there.
Give me that money first.
Yeah, one there.
Thank you.
What we got next?
So we got 3 curry puffs and a samosa, freshly fried. Just over there.
Curry puff.
Nice crisp crunch.
No finesse.
Zero finesse, okay. The jalebi. Whoop.
Really sweet.
Yeah. Okay, so good pace, good start to the day. Already got through the Indian food, and now it's time to get into more of the Malay food as well. So we're really excited. Malay food is some of my favourite food in the world. Yeah, we've still got a lot more dishes to get through, so let's get to it, boy. Satay, boy. So we're moving on to the Malaysian food now. Got some chicken satay and some pandan dessert. Looks like it's going to rain in a minute, so better eat this quick. Alright? This one's good. Handan. This is actually really good, bro. You should try some. Whoa.
Handan power.
Still warm.
Ready? Okay, so we've made it to Chinatown now. It looks like it's going to start to rain, so we're going to try and eat this as quick as possible because we still have loads more dishes to eat on our food marathon for today. But so far so good. Stomachs are holding out well, and it's been a great day. Okay, so we were struggling after dish number 12. We've got a reinforcement in here, my boy Aaron from KL, and we've got 2 more dishes and we're at the bottom of lot 10, which has got some awesome Chinese food. So we have siu bao chicken. Oh, really good. It's like a chicken pie.
Right.
And banana dumpling. So we're not finished. We've still got 14 more to go.
This is the spot.
Okay, so now we're in Jalan Alor, which is we're here at Wongawa to try these famous chicken wings. I came here last year and I remember they were amazing. Isn't that right, Aaron?
Oh yeah!
Down to the last 9 more dishes, almost there. We've made it to Pavilion, one of the biggest shopping malls before it closes, and had to get one of the classic Malaysian dishes, which is the ayam rendang curry. So I'm looking forward to this one. I've had this quite a lot. Yeah. Easy.
What have we got?
I got you something.
Okay, bro.
Okay. slice, some Asian things. You know, try it. It's usually served on Chinese New Year. It's kind of a must thing to eat.
The dried pork.
Yeah, dried pork.
Yeah.
Let's do it. This is what we came for. Oh. Okay, pandan cake, easy.
That's a lot of cake though.
Almost finished. My favourite sweet in Malaysia, pandan cake. This is the one.
Okay, that's right. Oh, yeah. What is that?
Is that durian?
Jackfruit. Jackfruit honey. Stinks though.
Ramly burger, egg, chicken. Not the best burger, but it will do. 5 ringgit. That's like £1. Okay, coming up to the finish line now, almost done. It's getting late, so we've gone to a Mamat, which is like a 24-hour Indian cafe, and we're going to finish the final sprint with some rotis. So we have roti pisang, banana, roti talur, and roti planta. Almost done. Let's do it. And the final one, the finale. Roti Milo. Come on, Aaron. You can finish the Roti Milo. The last roti bite. You can do it.
Ready? Fine.
Okay. Rotis. Finished. Teteri. Finished. And now for the finale. 26. Pandan cake. Final. The size of that pandan. So, yeah. Any final words? Aaron, any final words? More food? Henry, any final words?
Never again.
Don't try this at home because I do not feel good right now. See ya!